those of you on Facebook, I would wish you,
Make a shout out, make a shout out.
I wish you a happy Thanksgiving.
These guys legit watching
Yo, shout out to all the boys. Just think about all that turkey you're eating right now when you're watching this video. I know you're watching this video right before you eat that Thanksgiving, and it's gonna taste so good.
Thanksgiving?
It's gonna taste so good. Just trust me. You know what I'm saying? The stuffing and the gravy and the turkey. It's so fucking good. If you're watching this and you're about to eat Thanksgiving, call me. You know what I'm saying?